In this video, I will show you how to create a spider stitch. The final effect resembles a spider web. It can be used as an embellishment stitch. I will work between 5 straight stitches, though more numbers of straight stitches can be used. Just remember to keep odd numbers of straight stitches, usually 5 or 7 straight stitches are preferred. I will be using an embroidery needle and cotton stradded thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. Mark the fabric with a circle and a dot in the centre, then divide the circle with evenly spaced dots. Bring the needle up outside and insert it into the centre. Repeat this with all of the other dots. Now bring your needle up between 2 of the stitches you have just worked. I'm using a different colour thread to show you. Weave the first stitch under and the next one over and repeat until you have completed your first round. Pull your first round quite tightly and continue. As you start to get further out, you can start to pull less tightly. Continue making further rounds, but slightly looser than the first to help them lie flat. When you have completed weaving, insert the needle under the previous rounds to secure off. Now you have completed a spider stitch.